Hi, I'm Anne-Marie Kuntz, and this is my instructional tutorial for Google Accounts. I chose Google Accounts because it's web-based, it's not device-specific, you can log in from any browser, and it is free. I use Google Accounts for communications. I selected Google Accounts because there are various resources included in your account. By selecting this Apps button in the top right-hand corner, you can see the different resources that are available. There's Gmail in order to send emails, including attachments, to recipients. There's Google Drive, where you can store all of your files, such as docs, sheets, and slides. There are other things that you can add, things like G Plus for communities like our educational community, as well as other sites. I also use Google Forms sometimes, which is another thing that you can access here. This Google account is what I use for communication. You can share any of your documents. You can also, through Google Calendar, you can share appointment times. You can invite people to meetings. So the purpose for choosing Google Accounts specifically is because it's easily accessible, it's a way to communicate, it's a way to create and to share things. My intended audience when I use Google Accounts is I use this to communicate with my students, my parents of my students, coworkers, my boss, etc. The standards that are covered by using Google Accounts are 3B: facilitate and participate in learning communities that stimulate, nurture, and support administrators, faculty, and staff in the study and use of technology, and 3C: promote and model effective communication and collaboration among stakeholders using digital age tools. You can easily sign up for a Google account, and everyone's Google account comes with these resources that I've shown you here in the Apps button. Once you have created a Google account, you have access to all of these features, which again are shareable, and they really make collaboration among you and your students, you and parents, as well as you and coworkers so easy and accessible. Thank you for watching.